For quickly selecting the right wrench, sometimes it can be helpful to know the pattern that relates wrench size with the fastener size, the size of the hex itself. We're just looking at hex heads today because there's no one wrench pattern that works for all fasteners. You have to look at sizing and sets and type of head. And so we'll look at hex head for 1/4 inch to 7/16, and then we'll look at the pattern for hex head 1/2 inch through 1 inch. Okay, so here we have a 1/4 inch, and for a 1/4, you just add 3/16 to that nominal diameter to get your wrench size. So to put it in the least common denominator, that's 4/16 plus 3/16 or 7/16. So you know your wrench size is 7/16. Likewise, for a 5/16 bolt, you use a 1/2 inch wrench because 5/16 plus 3/16 is 8/16 or 1/2. Again, you just add 3/16. For 3/8, you add 3/16 again. To put it in the common denominator, that's 6/16 plus 3/16 or 9/16. So you know your wrench size is 9/16. And finally, for 7/16, adding 3/16 is just 10/16, which reduces to 5/8. So you know your wrench size is 5/8. And so for the next set, 1/2 inch through 1 inch, you just take that nominal diameter of the fastener and you multiply it by 1.5 to get your hex head size. 1/2 inch times 1.5 is 3/4, or 1 inch times 1.5 is 1.5 inch. And so just multiply the nominal diameter by 150%, and that is your wrench size. Now, I'm omitting some real oddball sizes that I never hear of anyone using, like 9/16 by 12, but this may or may not be helpful because these are pretty common sizes, but oftentimes you don't know what kind of fastener size you're dealing with, and so you'll have to rummage through the wrench bin anyways. So anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.